Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a simple piston stop for two-stroke engine. Oh well, okay, so here I have piece of plastic. The piston stop is going to be about 70 millimeters long. I'm going to do a thread. It will be a standard spark plug thread, about 35 to 40 millimeters long, and I'm gonna make the end. I'll make a little chamfer or make it round, so when I install the piston stop I'm not going to damage the engine. Um, I need this piston stop to be able to replace clutch on my chainsaw, but you can also use it on any two-stroke engine. Alright, I'm just gonna make a little mark. So this is how far is the thread gonna be. So that's 40 millimeters. I'm going to machine that down to 14 millimeters to be able to cut that M14 spark plug thread. At the moment I have 17.5 millimeters. I will make it to 14. It's 14.5. Okay, I have 14 millimeters. Get rid of that swarf. I'm just gonna make a little step here, so the thread starts maybe 4 or 5 millimeters from the end. Make a little chamfer. Well, I'm going to clean all this up and I'm going to set the lathe for the M14 thread, and then we cut the thread. Well, to be able to cut the thread on this lathe, first you need to set this lever in, as you can see, thread position, and then you have to find the right pitch. In my case it's 1.25, if I can see it right. So 1.25, this lever is in position 1 and this lever should be in position C. Then when you start cutting, you just have to engage this lever, and then you have to lock the split knot, and then you can start start thread cutting. Sometimes, because this is very old lathe, you also have to change the gears, because you only have, well, I don't know, 3-4 pitches to be able to cut more different threads. You have to change these gears. I don't do that very often, but if I have to, it's a bit of a messy job, because then you have to loosen these bolts, then you have to take the idlers out, swap them, and then put it back together, and then oil it up a little bit so it's not noisy and you're not wearing out the gears. Oh, well, okay, the machine is set. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drill a center hole. Since this is plastic tend to bend a little bit, so I'm just going to drill a center hole so I can support it a little bit. And in case you're wondering why do I have this cylinder head here, well, that's the only thing I have with the spark plug thread, so I'm going to use that to check the final size of the thread. I don't have any gauges or anything to check the thread, so I'm just going to use this. Thread cutting on the lathe is pretty easy. You just take like 1/2 mil cuts at a time. You start with 1/2 mil or so, and then as you go deeper you just take less and less until you get the final size. So basically that's what I'm going to do. You just go back and forth until you have the correct size. I'll be doing it at 250 RPM. Small diameter should be somewhere around 12.5 millimeters. So I'll go about 1.5 millimeter deep, and then I'll check the size. Yeah, it can be a bit messy sometimes because the plastic is pretty soft. Well, okay, I'll take another 0.1 and then I'll check the size and see how it goes. Plastic is a little soft, so I've just got to clean it up a little bit, but I'll try the head first and see if it goes. It's a bit tricky because the thread in the cylinder head is on an angle, so I'll see if I can get it on. I don't want to force it because it's plastic and I don't want to damage the thread. Line it up okay. Oh, I think I've got it. Looks like it's okay. Oh, as far as they can go, you probably can see that the thread's gone through, so that should be okay. Don't want to have it too loose, so I think I'm just going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to get it out and see if I can screw it all the way in. Well, oh, okay. Oh, it's not too tight. Yeah, that looks all right. I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to keep it as it is. The reason for making the thread longer is that so you can use it for different motors, different engines. Because say every cylinder head's got a different shape of the combustion chamber. So sometimes you need to go a little further in. You don't have to use the shims, and then say if your piston stop is too long, you don't have to shorten it, you don't have to cut it. So this way, say you have a different like a shape of the cylinder head. So you screw it a little more in, or you just screw it as far as you can, or as far as you need to stop the piston from moving, and so you can do whatever you need to do. In my case, I'll be using this to service my chainsaw because I need to replace the clutch, and I have to stop the crankshaft from moving back and forth to be able to loosen the clutch of the crankshaft. Now the last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to machine this other end of the piston stop. Oh, the reason for that is to make it look nice, make it look pretty. That's about it. I'll put it on higher gear. Oh, that's a bit better. Well, that's about it. That's one piston stop ready to be used. Well, the piston stop is finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and write comments if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.